Hello everyone, so if you want to perform a hard reset on a Motorola Razr 50, first of all you're to open up your settings, and you're gonna scroll down to your system tab. Here it is, right at the bottom, and here we gotta find our reset options. Here they are. Choose your reset options. Now you gotta scroll down and find erase all data, factory reset. Choose it. Now before you are doing this, you'll see a message, so let's do this. We have to insert our PIN, of course. So we have this message that all of our personal information and the loaded apps will be deleted. You cannot undo this action. So make sure to make a backup if you need your data, of course. All of the apps can be reinstalled from the Play Store and you can log back into your Google account. It's not a big thing. So you should primarily focus on backing up photos and personal files which are stored locally. Confirm your choice by pressing erase all data, and basically that's it. So once again, make sure to back up any important data before starting. After that, the process will take about a minute. Once it's complete, you'll see the Android setup screen and you can configure your device as a new one. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.